How does Altasciences mitigate sample shipment delays while maintaining the integrity of the samples?
In order to mitigate shipment delays, we look at multiple things. Communication up front is essential, and communication is best started right at the beginning, right after you've signed on to be partnering with Altasciences. One of the other things that we look at right away in the morning, personally, is the news. I go through all the major news channels, CNN, CBC in Canada, and BBC for more of the world news, to find out what's going on in the world, from the geopolitical situation to weather issues and different things like that. So that way we can ensure that whatever plans we've made to transport the materials, be it samples or test articles and so on, are all going to be safe and secure all throughout the process. From there, we need to know exactly what the material is, what any codes and so on that are required, so that we can ensure that all the proper import documentation is in place and we can bring the materials in safely. The other thing that we look at is the courier usage. What's the best courier for what area of the world it's coming from and going to? All these different things put together in a discussion format will ensure that all the samples get through in the safest, most secure manner possible. If you have any further questions on this or anything regarding logistics, please feel free to reach out to me at any time.